Hey, what's up, guys? Chef right here. Listen, I just want to come and tell you real quick about the new merch at jpcgang.com. Hold up. You talking about this drip? Oh. Yeah, this big old drip. What's up, baby? Mr. Money here. Listen, if you ain't tapped into jpcgang.com and got to some of this big old drip, wrapped all of that fluffification up in this fine linen, what are you doing? Go tap in, JPC Gang right now. jpcgang.com. He ain't lying. He ain't lying though. Take yourself over to jpcgang.com, man. Get you some of that big old drip. Chef Ray out. What's up, JPC Gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We going to Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. We got oxtails on the menu. Oxtails. Up there. Big up there. Falling off the bone. This is another episode, Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat 61. Let's go, baby. Hi, baby, what's up, gang? Listen, we got the oxtails today. That's right, oxtails. This is beef, the tail of the cow. It ain't all that serious, just calm down. Started off, about 3 or 4 pounds of oxtail here. Let's bust them open and get them clean. Water, a little distilled vinegar, white vinegar, whatever kind of vinegar you got. Water and vinegar, let's bust them open. Come on. This oxtail, man, it's a rich cut of meat, man. It's got a lot of fat, it's got a lot of flavor in its cut. It don't need a lot of trimming, but we definitely want to clean it up a little bit. You don't want to get the chine down on your food, find something that you don't want to find in here. It got a lot of fat on it, but we all know, baby, that fat equals the flavorification. It's not a bad cut of meat. It don't have a crazy amount of fat on it, but it's marbled throughout the inside. If you want to go through and trim a little bit up, it ain't gonna hurt now, just a little bit. But remember, fat equals the flavorification. Don't go too heavy. This is rich, this is fat, this is flavor. You roll this over, it's got fat everywhere. There's no way possible that that's gonna be good for you or eating habits, or it's not good. Make sure you ain't getting into none of the lean meat. There's no way possible this is gonna be good for you, baby. For me, that's trash. You can keep it, use it for whatever you want to. You can put it in your soup, your salad. It's up to you. To each their own. This is the JPC Gang way, all right? If you like that, all that fat on your oxtail, then be my guest. Skip this part. You don't have to take none of this off. Keep it on. You can't even pull it off. It's so hard, you can't even pull it off. Come in with the blade and take it off. That's all I'm gonna do on these tails. We got about 6 to 7 cups of water in this bowl. Room temperature water. It don't have to be hot. It don't have to be cold. We're gonna get that much vinegar. Couple tablespoons of vinegar down in the bowl, baby. Get your tails in the bowl. That vinegar gonna start to react with all that acid and start to clean up the tails. You don't wanna leave them in there too long because it'll start to eat away and change the textures on your meat. Give them a good rinse, you know, scrub them down, and that's it. Pull them out, rinse them off so they won't taste like vinegar. Clean tails. We got the clean tails, so look, this is what we gotta do. We gotta season it up, man. It ain't nothing basic about the Jamaican game seasoning. Big ups Jamaica, I already know how it goes down. We got a tablespoon of salt, just table salt, going in. Couple teaspoons of garlic powder going in. This recipe will be down in the description, the exact recipe. Go on down there, get your recipe, and do your thing. Big up Jamaica, let's go, check this out. Teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of allspice. Allspice is a pimento berry. You cannot do this dish without it. Don't try, you might as well give it up. Staples of Jamaican flavoring, especially in jerk. Allspice, couple teaspoons of each. Going in there. Soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce going in. That good coloring, burnt brown sugar, browning, make it look good. We eat with our eyes, baby. Browning, right down in the bowl. With all the heat, some sweet, couple tablespoons of brown sugar going in. Take away the baseability. Magic dust, Big Smokeys, BBQ.com for your magic dust. Tablespoon of the magic dust in there, baby. Put them on game. I'm going in. Rub it down real good. All the meat with the flavorification, baby. Don't let nothing go unrubbed. If I didn't tell you in the beginning, we're gonna fast forward it, accelerate it. We don't got all day to cook these oxtails, all right? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's storming out here. It's coming down. We ain't got all day. It's a stormy, cold day. Fix you some oxtails. It's gonna warm you right up. Like I was saying, man, this is the accelerated pace. So we doing it in the Instapot. You gotta get you one in there. Jamaica, I'm on my way. The smells and flavors of Jamaica is 1 second to none, man. It's gonna be good. We're gonna let these sit and marinate for about an hour or two. We ain't got all day, so we just going an hour. Longer it sit, the better it get. You can go overnight if you want to. They've been marinated. Let them go for about an hour and a half. Hold on, it ain't your time yet, Instapot. Pipe down. Machines. Smell like Jamaica. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off. I had it on trying to preheat to get a head start, no cheap. Hit the saute button. Give it about 4 minutes right there. It's creating a skillet, basically. So you can saute. Okay. Okay, Instapot. You got one more time. We're gonna brown them up. Slight crispification on the outside. That's gonna be my favorite part right there. Right there. Coat the bottom of this pan. Instapot pan. We're gonna go about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Get that slight crispification on the outside. And it's gonna create some fun on the bottom of this pan. Fun equal flavor. Oxtail going down. Let that go just like that for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. We getting the caramelization under there. Intensifying the flavors. 4 or 5 minutes on each side till it's brown. Yard man style, the big wave. While we got them oxtails browning on each side, we're gonna chop some veggies. Sweet Vidalia onion going in, a yellow onion. I wanna take this time to say welcome to all the new JPC gang members, baby. You have entered into a world of greatness. Dice up 1 yellow onion. JPC gang weight, diced onion. That's what we looking for. Good. Flip them, get them on the other side, make sure everybody get brown. When you say oxtails, a lot of people think Caribbean, but it's actually a big staple in the soul food community also. Oxtails smothered in gravy. Oxtails and greens with the hot water cornbread. If you ain't seen that video, you better go check out my hot water cornbread. Dope video. Approaching 100,000 views. They know what's going on. The truth. Big Dog got that caramelization on him. You see him? Get him out of there, put him on to the side. He got it. You know what that's called. That's called the fun. What is fun? Flavor. The itsy bitsies at the bottom of the pot. Put in about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of beef broth. Scrape it up. We want all that flavor to come off from under there. We're gonna go in with our veggies, baby. 1 medium-sized sweet Vidalia onion. This is a staple. Scotch bonnet going in. Give you some of that spicification. Fresh baby carrots we went on and diced them. Cut them on the bias for presentation. Prunito. Cup of those. Get them in there. Gang, I told you we ain't got all day, baby. Feel like I'm moving a little fast? Leave it down in the comments. Say, Chef Ray, slow your ass down. Green onion, slice them up. Green onion in the pot. Man, it's garlic going in the pot. If you ain't gonna go fresh and organic, I don't really think you should be going. Look how good it looks. Thyme in the pot. Gotta go 2 pieces of the magic dust. Big SMOKEYS, bbq.com for your magic dust. Give it a mix. Saute them off and all that flavor that was in them coming off them oxtails. Saute that off for about 5 minutes. Trust the process. Deep into these oxtails in this pot. We in Jamaica right now. Bring me a Crown and Coke, flash of lemon. Let's go, baby. Veggies have done its thing. Yeah, start to cook a little bit. It's got all that flavorification in there. It's got the thyme, the onions, the scotch bonnet. Pick counsel on your Instant Pot. Cut it off. Don't burn it. If you burn it, guess what you are? Tell a friend to tell a friend. You're basic. That's not burnt. That's caramelization. That's crispification. Get all the oxtails back in the pot. The marinade in the pot. Don't leave that out the pot. 2 cups of beef stock here in the pot. Ketchup. Don't be in my comment, you ain't use the ketchup. You ain't look. Ketchup going in. The exact recipe will be down in the description. 1 cup of agua going in. Enough to cover them at least halfway. Don't sleep on this. Beef bouillon. This that long, slow cook in a bottle. We ain't gotta do it. It's in the bottle. Tablespoon of that beef bouillon down in there. Don't overdo it because it is got a higher salt content, but we did add the agua, so that'll help balance it out. It's a lot of fat, it's a lot of grease, it's a lot of richness. Black pepper will help counteract that. Put a tablespoon in here. That's my take, my twist, that's my preference. You gonna hit pressure cook. Less, normal, and more. We want it on more. Let's go up to on the time. 45 minutes. Put your lid on. Come on. Come on, Instant Pot. Don't act like that. There we go. Good machine. Get your lid on. Lock position. Steam tab here. Close your steam lid. Building that pressure. Put the baby to rest. Good stuff. 45 minutes in the Instant Pot. Pressure cook on high. Watch this. Yes, Lord. Falling right off the bone, baby. Pull all your oxtails out the bowl. Set them to the side. We gotta make us a gravy real quick. You got your oxtails out the bowl right there, baby. Cut saute right back on. Thicken up our soup base real quick. Couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Get it down in the bowl. 1/4 cup of agua to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Creating us a little slurry real quick. We're gonna thicken up our gravy. Get that cornstarch slurry right down in that gravy. Let it go for about 5 or 10 minutes. You want to be able to stick your spoon in there and that sauce sit up on the back of that spoon just like that. It's not gonna go nowhere. You get it as thick as you want. You can add more or less, but that's what we wanted at. At this point, you want to go ahead and taste your gravy. Perfect. Butter beans, drained and strained and rinse them off. Put your 1 can in there. All of your oxtails right back in the pot. Yes, Lord. We're gonna let this saute for another 5 minutes, just like this. So reduce and thicken up. The flavors gonna keep building. She ready. That was that quick. It didn't take us no time. Let's plate it up, man. Time to eat. Plain white rice. How many you want? How many do you want? How many do you want? That's a couple. Yeah. If you gonna be greedy today, then you let me know early, you hear me? Chef Ray, Mr. Money, I need more. I got you. You with the gang, don't you worry, you hear me? I got the tab. We're gonna leave it at that. I think you can handle that. We can't go in here without the gravy. Gotta get that gravy over there. Got them butter beans sliding through there, drowning in the gravy. The oxtail gravy, yeah, man. Come on, man, stop playing, take a look at this. You know what time it is, gang? We gotta try it out. Just get your spoon. Just get your spoon. Turn the oxtail around, go in with your spoon. Look at her, look at her. Yeah, you don't need none, just barely cutting. Blow it, cause you know it's hot. Come here. Lord have mercy. I need a moment of silence, hold on. It don't make no sense how good that is. You can taste all the ingredients, and it's the proper way to do it. I didn't want to do this in front of y'all, gang, but listen, we family. Put them napkins away, we family. It's hot as hell right now. Look at that meat just come off that bone. It's so darn hot right now, I can barely pick it up, but I want to though. Gotta get some of the rice, the gravy and the butter beans and the carrots. Me don't know. I'm really lost for words right now. I'm fucking lost for words. I love you. I thank you for watching. Listen, make sure you go smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking. Oh, and don't be selfish. Share all this greatness we creating over there. Share this. Share it with your peoples, your gang. Try to make a bigger family. My peoples is your peoples. We put your peoples, call my peoples, our peoples, our peoples. Hey, share this video. Share all my videos. I thank you for watching. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here today. Right here on YouTube. Go down in the D in the description. Get the ingredients and go make this. Till next time, y'all. Listen, it's me, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Peace and love.